If your Gmail inbox looks like a digital jungle packed with thousands of unread messages, don't worry. Today, I'm showing you how to delete over 1,000 emails in under 5 minutes. This is the fastest and safest method to clean up your Gmail and finally get back that peaceful zero inbox feeling. So stick with me till the end because I'll also show you a crucial tip to avoid accidentally deleting something important. Let's get started. First, log into your Gmail account. Once you are inside your inbox, look at the very top left corner of your screen. You'll see a small checkbox right above your emails. Click that checkbox. At first, Gmail will only select the emails visible on your current page, but we want to go bigger. Right after you click the checkbox, look just above your email list. Gmail will show a message that says something like, select all conversations in primary. This is the magic button that lets you grab every single email in your inbox, not just the first 50 or so you see. Click that option. And instantly, all your emails in that category are selected, whether it's 500, 1,000, or even 20,000. Now that everything is selected, head over to the top bar and click the trash can icon. Once you do that, Gmail will move all those emails straight into your trash folder. Don't panic. This doesn't permanently delete them yet. Gmail holds everything in trash for 30 days, giving you time to undo any mistakes or bring back an important message you didn't mean to remove. If you're absolutely sure you want them gone forever, you can go one step further. Open the trash folder on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see an option to empty trash now. Clicking that will permanently delete every email inside. But just a warning, it's normally safer to wait the full 30 days unless you're totally confident nothing valuable is in there. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've cleaned up your Gmail and probably freed up a ton of storage space too. If this guide helped you declutter your inbox, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and drop a comment letting me know what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.